Hey, it's Lisa DeBoer from Pedi-Ed-Trics, and on this episode of In Seconds University, we're going to be talking about sticky notes and how you can utilize these to actually do a class with your students. And you can use any of the Manny kids in all of the systems, whether it's Peds Prep in seconds, scenarios in seconds, disasters in seconds. All of the Manny kids are able to be set up. You can do this one-on-one with a student. You can set up and do an entire class. We like to do from a basic, advanced, and expert level. So if you're working on anatomy terminology, or you want them to actually be able to place and identify, use it like a quiz if you wanted to. You could use arrows to actually point to different things. So if you wanted to do mandible, and you have them put the sticky note. If you want them to do radius, you can put a sticky note. You want them to do femur. You want them to, it just allows you to work with your students. Or maybe you want them to do pulse points. And so sticky notes come off. All right, everybody, where are we gonna find the brachial artery? Where are we gonna find the femoral artery? Where are we going? And it just allows you to use these in a really easy way. And when you're done, this just gets thrown away. So again, super, super easy way that you can do some fun stuff with your students. Again, you can be as creative as you want to, but sticky notes and Sharpies, yeah, that's the way to go. Makes your life really easy. Let your students you can have them even write the words on here and they'll be like, oh, great. I don't even know how to spell that. So, or arrows work too. So just another really quick idea for something that you can do with our In Seconds products and your students. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.
Well, the scenario in seconds is awesome. It was the first time that I experienced it I was blown away, just absolutely blown away by not only the simplicity of it, but how easy it was to learn from it.
The Scenarios in Seconds is a very quick way that you can get regular contact with pediatric material that you know is medically sound, that you have some visual cues for, and that can give you virtual instant feedback in your performance in taking care of the kids in these scenarios. It's quick, you can do it on a regular basis, it's fun, it costs just about nothing if you do it a lot of times, and it's just going to help you in your ability to be comfortable and confident in taking care of the kids.
Having Scenarios in Seconds to go to grab that very quick, real-time education piece that is something so easy for the associates to work through themselves, and they get real-time feedback. They are timing themselves in their answers, they're looking at their answers, and they have opportunity to ask questions, to build their skill, and to reinforce their learning in the moment with very little effort from the nurse educator.